So we're about to give our first try of the Aldi mini washing machine. We'll see. So I've got in there 3 pairs of underpants and 1 t-shirt. It's about, and it's not full. I could probably squeeze another t-shirt in there because I'm not up to the max line yet. We'll see how it goes. And I've used a quarter of one of these washing sheets, detergent sheets. Alright, it's 240 volts, so flick the inverter on, turn the power on. Oh, the lights are on, so I think we hit that button, it powers it up, and then we select a mode. We've got spinning, speed washing, standard washing. Okay, we'll try standard washing. 2 seconds. Oh, what was happening? Oh, yeah. And there goes the other one. Maybe I'll just help mix it up a little bit. Yeah, maybe it's too much because it's not really spinning it round very well. More water might help. I'll pause it and add some more water. Okay, so yeah, it's sort of trying. It's yeah, I think too big a load. Yeah, that's better with a bit less stuff in it. Should have the lid on obviously, and it goes back the other way. Yeah, sudsing up now nicely. Yes. So this is the spin bucket. So I'm guessing you can only put in the machine what'll fit in the spin bucket, so it looks like 1 t-shirt at a time. I don't know how you go with a big pair of jeans or something, but yeah, probably should have the lid on now because it's starting to get a bit of a spin up. That'll stop it splashing out. So yes, it works, but take a few loads because it doesn't do much at a time. As for power usage, it plugs into 240, so I've got the 3000 watt inverter going, but I've used 0.2% of the battery. It was at 100, I think. Well, I was at 99.9. I've used hardly anything really. It's very not very power hungry at all.